Welcome to another certification introduction video from Mosse Cybersecurity Institute. Today we're going to look at the MRT Certified Red Teamer certification. Now in this introduction video we're going to have a look at an introduction to MCSI's online learning platform. We're going to look at the MRT syllabus and what is included in the curriculum. We're going to look at 5 of the 100 practical exercises you receive in the curriculum, and we're going to look at some career development milestones and certificates of completion that you can achieve. Now, if you're not familiar with MCSI's online learning platform, what it is we offer 1,000 practical exercises to train anyone for 10,000 hours of cybersecurity. And this can be someone at any level with any background in cybersecurity. And every exercise is 100% practical, and it's designed as an industry problem statement that you would be solving. So you can see in the diagram below, this is how the platform works. You do your own research, you develop your own solution, you'll receive expert feedback from the team of MCSI instructors, you will earn certificates, you'll have video demonstrations, and all of this can be part of your cybersecurity portfolio. And you'll learn a new skill from every exercise that you can immediately implement in the field. Now, let's have a look at the syllabus for the MRT Certified Red Teamer. So as part of this curriculum, what you'll learn is you'll obtain a deep knowledge of Windows internals, you'll learn how to perform security research and come up with new attack techniques and tactics. You'll learn how to write and maintain your own malware attack toolkits. You'll learn how to think outside the box and come up with new attack vectors and approaches. And you'll design, propose, and safely execute multifaceted red team operations that can amaze your customers. Now, the main thing is we want to look at the exercises, so let's have a look at some of those. The first exercise we'll look at is at the novice level, and this is an exercise where we'll want students to write malware that creates a registry setting to trust and auto-enable Microsoft Office macros. As you can see, this is how all of the exercises will be laid out. You have a bit of a background, you have an exercise, you have the specifications listed here, and there's always going to be the green box here giving you the category, the difficulty. So this is a novice difficulty, it's worth 1 point. And we estimate someone who's never done this exercise before, it would take about 1 to 6 hours to complete. And then we have this grey box here which has some programming languages that you could use to solve this exercise. But as you can see, it's 100% practical. There's no video walkthroughs, no slides, no PDFs, no answers of any kind really. It's really up to you to do your own research, and the best way to think of the exercise is imagine you're a junior red teamer working in a red team and your managers come to you and hey, I need you to write malware that creates a registry setting to trust and auto-enable Microsoft Office app macros. And it's really up to you as a security professional to go, okay, this is how I do it. Your manager's giving you the specifications here. So enable trust access to the VBA project object model, enable all macros, and allow files marked as from the web to execute as macros. And you need to produce your own malware. What happens is you'll do that, you'll submit it, the MCSI instructors will review it and provide you personalized feedback for every exercise. The next exercise we'll have a look at is write a Windows host enumeration program. So you can see this is a next level up at the advanced beginner level. And as you can see, it's the same layout. We give you the exercise, some learning objectives, and the actions and specifications you can take. And some of the exercises which can be a bit more challenging will also provide a recommended methodology on how to solve it. The next exercise we'll look at is write malware that uses domain fronting to evade detection. And it's the same kind of layout. So in this exercise, you'll need to deploy your C2 in the cloud and use domain fronting to hide it. You'll need to write or edit HTTPS reverse shells to communicate with the C2 backend over the domain front. And you'll need to validate this by using Wireshark to demonstrate that your reverse shell is interacting with the domain fronting C2 via HTTPS. And in this exercise, we do give some references to help point you in the right direction with your research, but it is still up to you to do your own research, to develop your own solution. The next exercise we'll look at is write a custom C2 communication protocol. And as you can see, this is a competent level exercise. It's worth 5 points. And we estimate someone who's never done this before, but at this skill level, it would take about 1 to 3 days to complete. And that's an 8-hour business day that we estimate as. So in total, we estimate it might take, say, 8 to 24 hours to complete this exercise. Now, we give the same sort of information, learning objectives, and the list of specifications and some references here. The final exercise we'll have a look at is one of my favorite red teaming exercises, where we ask you to modify Mimikatz to bypass antivirus software. And it's the same layout. We give some background, what the exercise is, the learning objectives that you will take away from completing this exercise, and the actions and specifications and some references. Now, as part of the curriculum, what you also be able to achieve is career development milestones. So as you can see here, I'm currently on 7% complete. So that puts me in here, the MCSI Novice Red Teamer category. So this is just something I can put on my LinkedIn as a title, put on my CV and share with my industry peers. So just people know, like, I'm enrolled in this course, I'm passionate about red teaming, I'm learning red teaming and learning some skills. Once you complete 40% of the curriculum, then you'll become an MCSI Associate Red Teamer, and that's just a next step which you can do the same, put on your LinkedIn, your CV, but you've completed 40% of the curriculum, so you can discuss the skills you've demonstrated, what exercises you've completed. You'll have video demonstrations from 40% of the curriculum that you can use as part of your portfolio. And then once you reach 80%, you unlock the final assessment, and you take that and you'll become an MCSI Certified Red Teamer. Now, I also want to show you the certificates of completion that you would receive for every single exercise in the platform. And this is one I completed for completing the exercise Use Mimikatz to perform a pass the hash attack. And these are great because you can post them on LinkedIn, your Twitter, and your industry peers and colleagues will understand that, okay, like, these are the new skills you're learning. You're doing a lot to advance your own cybersecurity career, and they can be really wowed at the kind of knowledge that you're learning throughout the red teaming curriculum. So thank you very much. I hope you really enjoyed this video and we answered lots of your questions about our certified MRT red teaming certification. If you do have any questions, our contact information is on the screen. Reach out to us anytime and ask us, but good luck, and I look forward to seeing many of you enroll and reviewing many of your red teaming exercise submissions soon. Thank you.